This is a quilt that I have put together for my son's girlfriend who is graduating from high school this week, and it is made with blocks that my bee mates in the Canadian Modern Quilt Bee on Instagram have sewn for me. The orange one at the top is the one that I made, and the rest are from my bee mates. So I made one for her and one for her twin sister who is also graduating. So half the blocks came in with a white background and half the blocks came in with a cone of snow background. So I decided to make two quilts, and this is the second quilt with the white background, and it is for her twin sister. So this is the Log Cabin Heart quilt block, and I'll put a link in the description below, and I'll try to put a card up on this video as well, to Just Jude's YouTube tutorial for this block. It's a free quilt pattern and tutorial, so I'll link to that. So I quilted the quilt, and I added this little Matryoshka doll border because I thought the dolls brought out the colors of the hearts. And then I put an Essex linen striped binding on the edge. And the back of the quilt is an ombre dots wide back by Vanessa Christensen for Motive Fabrics. So that's the back, and I put a quilt label in the bottom corner, and it has our hashtag on it to credit my bee mates as well.